Hey, what's up? It's Roy here. So today I have the Torras Snapiel tempered glass screen protector here for my iPhone 14 Pro. They were kind enough to send this out for review. It's $26.99 on Amazon with Prime shipping. So if you want to buy this after watching this video, then follow my link down below. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out real quick. All right, and here it is. It's a 2-pack. I think I already said that. But with Torras being a very recognizable name in the case game, obviously they had to step it up and make some great tempered glass screen protectors as well. So inside of the packaging, we do get this install master, which I'm going to show you how to install it in this video. We do have this let's start a wonderful journey thing here. So there's a QR code for the warranty and all that fun stuff. And then inside here, we do have just some of the basics that you need when it comes to installing a tempered glass screen protector. So we have our wet wipe, our microfiber cloth, and then some dust stickers and whatnot here. Now it did say it was a 2-piece or 2-part case. Oh, there it is. Yes, it is. So very sneaky. It's right there. So you get 2 screen protectors in here. So that is very awesome. But yeah, so pretty simple install, guys. They've made it actually very, very simple to use this. So it's kind of a very simplified install. As you can see here, you put it on, you press it, you pull, it gets the dust out, and then you kind of slide your finger to glue it down on the screen, and you're good to go. So first things first, let's go ahead and get the wet wipe out here. Let me go ahead and put the phone right there. So let's go ahead and get this all cleaned up real quick. So very moist wipe, I really like that. Said that in a lot of my videos because depending on this tempered glass screen protector company, they send these screen protectors out with very dried out wipes, and it just doesn't give you a great initial first impression. So getting this all cleaned up, took off my previous screen protector, so wanted to get that all nice and wiped down. So then I'm going to use the provided microfiber cloth, and let's go ahead and just get it off the table. Just moves around so much. Nice and clean. And then last but not least, what you're going to want to do is peel off this one here and basically just go around the screen and get any little leftover little dust. So even though it says it does pull out dust when you're pulling this little orange sticker part out of the screen protector install, it is nice to make sure you get all these little ones first that you can get. So once we've done that, pretty simple stuff. So we just kind of put the phone there. So with this here, it does show this pull tab here, and then it does say top here. So what we're going to do is you can see that the little rim here, this is where the phone goes into place. So you're just going to essentially set this down on the phone itself. And then it says 2, you're going to press and slide, but number 1, you're going to pull. So number 1, we're going to pull. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. And then number 2, it says to slide your finger down to let the kind of gluing happen. So now let's just lift it up as it's gluing and doing its thing. And then once you do that, there is this piece that's still left on that it says to remove. And let me go ahead and wipe down the screen real quick. And that's it, guys. Super, super easy install, and it applied flawlessly. And I've run into a bunch of case companies, like I said, that make tempered glass screen protectors that are very similar install processes. Once you start to pull and doing all these other things, it just never seems to install properly. I always get air bubbles. It just doesn't install right. But with this one, I mean, it is perfect. It's installed perfectly. It aligned perfectly around my screen. So definitely 2 thumbs up there. As far as the actual just movement of it, it feels very sleek. So very, very smooth. Absolutely love that. Let's just scroll through YouTube real quick. So very, very easy. So very much giving this bad boy 2 thumbs up. because like I said, I've done this and I've run into so many issues before in the past with other companies, but this one from Torras, happy to report that it is super easy to install and looks fantastic as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for a new tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone 14 Pro Max, whatever, check out Torras. Like I said, follow the links down in the description for this Snapiel one here. It's a fantastic value since you get 2 of them in the packaging. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content, and make sure to follow these cards, guys, if you're interested in checking out some more of my other videos. So be safe, God bless, see you on the next one.